Hello folks and welcome back. Today we're going to learn about how to use files, how to actually save our stuff onto the computer for all eternity if required. So up until now we've just put things in the memory as variables, but variables vanish as soon as you turn off. A file stays there, so it's worth learning to use and learning how to read. So first things first, to read a file we need a file to read. So there should be a file called dugong.txt and it should be available to you. So drag that into the place in PyCharm where you're working in. Otherwise it will cause all manner of problems, I promise you. Okay? So you should now see here, this file is called o2vid1.py, o2vid1 and 035 dugong.txt. Perfect. We don't need anything else other than that. So how do I read what's in Dugong? Well, it's quite simple really. I go just here, I make a new variable called file. And this variable is going to open this file. So I put open and then I put some speech marks and I write, sorry, forgot the brackets, my mistake. Open brackets, speech marks, 035 space dash space dugong.txt, and then I want to say what I want to open it to do. So I want it to read, to write, to append. This time though it's read, and read you put the speech mark and in between them you put an R. Very piratish, I'm sure you'd agree. And this will now make a variable called file with all the text from Dugong in it. And then to see what the text is, I type print and I open brackets and then I type file dot read, and it will now read back all the information to me from my file. So let's see how it works. And fingers crossed, there we are. Dugong, it's the K, the C. If you want to know what this is, by the way, if you go on to YouTube and type in Dugong, then this song should appear. It's a classic song, please watch it. However, this appears the lyrics to the Dugong song, but this is all in the file Dugong, which is to be found right here. That's the file itself, the file's contents, and this is the Python file which lets you read that file. Okay guys, I'll let you go away and practice this now, and best